welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. I have got 2 different craft subscriptions to share with you today. The first one is made of honor, and it is a wax stamp. And the next one is from a pinch of salt, and it is, how do I want to explain it? It is are they called die cut little wood pieces that you paint and you put together and you display them on a tiered tray. You'll know what I'm talking about here once you see them. But they're crafty, so I thought I would put these together. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted by my Emmy girl back here. Sorry about that. It's like, what is she doing? Like animals, gosh, love them. And now she decides she's just, Emmy, are you taking a bath on camera? Yeah, taking a bath on camera. Okay, all right. Try not to get distracted by her. Okay. So let's go through this Maid of Honor first. So, made in Canada. So the subscription box does come to us from Canada, and it is a monthly subscription where you get a wax seal and some sealing wax with it. Now, this subscription, I believe, is sold out right now, but I think you can get on the wait list. It's a very good value. It is $26 a month, and it's unclear if shipping is included or not, because it says free shipping, but then when you go into the shipping details, it doesn't indicate free shipping. But I haven't been paying for shipping, so take that as you will. But they do have a disclaimer that you might be subject to additional taxes and duties now coming into the United States. So just be aware of that. It does come to the United States out of Canada. So they ship to Canada, within Canada, and they ship to the United States. So let me show you this. All right, so we got this month 5 different sticks of sealing wax, and aren't those beautiful colors? So we get either the sticks of sealing wax or we get the beads of sealing wax. And then she also gives us some stamps that she has made, and they do already come on the back with the 3M sticky tape, I guess you could say. Yeah. So you could peel it off and use it right now. So we got a seashell, got a blue whale, we got a turtle. Aren't those cute? Next, let's see what stamp we got for this month. So it comes in a very nice sealed packet. And she does have her branding on there, Maid of Honor. And the seal we got this month, oh, it's a seashell. Isn't that cute? A seashell. I think that's super cute. So now this is the last month I will be getting that box, only because life is crazy and it's busy, and I have not been able to do like making of my wax stamps. Goodness gracious, probably 2.5 months maybe. So I did cancel the subscription just because I don't know when I'm going to have time to get back to it. But when I do have time to get back to it, I'm going to look back into starting that subscription back up again, because like I said, it's a really good value. All right, next is the pinch of salt. So this is the second time I've gotten a package from Pinch. So the first time I got one of these kits, it was for the monthly. So they have a monthly subscription and then a quarterly tiered tray subscription. And the tiered tray subscription is $26. And I couldn't find on their website if I paid or if they charged shipping and handling. And I don't remember if I paid shipping and handling or not. So this is the first time I'm getting the tiered tray quarterly subscription. So these are the items. So you see, I'm pretty sure these are called like die cut. So you get a packet like this, and these are the items that you are going to be putting together to make up, to style your tiered tray. And here, let me just show you for the heck of it. Okay, so here is the July subscription box. So for July, that was what we would be making, and here's the package. Now, I went back and looked on her website when I got the July, because I was very surprised to only receive these and no paints. That really surprised me, because I was expecting to have paints with these. Now, I wasn't expecting to get glue or anything like that, but I was expecting to get paints with these. So I went back on the website, and I could not find anywhere where it mentioned that we were not going to be getting paint. So, I mean, if I want to say that was maybe only $18. So realistically, the price, like this is $26. I mean, if we were getting paints, that's a pretty darn good deal. You know what I mean? But it just surprised me because I'm like, all right, well, now I got to go out and buy paints, and not just one color. Like she writes on here the different suggested colors, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors for this one. And now we have fall, so that's going to be even more different colors. And maybe you have these already at home. So after I got the monthly, so I didn't get the paints, I did cancel the subscription. I had already ordered the quarterly subscription and paid for it, but I canceled that one too. So I knew this was coming because I already paid for it, but I'm not going to be continuing it just because, I mean, I don't have the paints, and I'm going to have to go buy paints to be able to finish these. Back to what's on the website. So when I went on just a little bit ago to get like the information about how much these cost from the website, I did see now for the tiered tray quarterly, it does mention that there's no paints. But I know when I went on there and looked, at least for that one, it didn't mention that. But again, in all fairness, $26 for this, and you're going to be making 1, 2, 3, 4 different things. That is a really good deal, you guys. It really is. So I can't, I mean, I want to be fair. So if you got the paints, I would look into this subscription because it is fun. I've done these before in like shops and stores, and they are a lot of fun. Like I said, I don't have the paint. So maybe someday I will have them and I will do these. But if this is your thing, I say go check them out. So they are called, again, a pinch of salt. You can get a monthly subscription, or this package, a quarterly for tiered trays. That's what I have today, you guys. So those are 2 different craft-related subscriptions that you can sign up for. Hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see each other again later. Bye, everyone.